I'm Barbara McGinnis, one of the certified elder law attorneys at McGinnis Elder Care Law. We're living in an age where information about many things is now available online. You can find a YouTube video on just about any subject. While that's a good thing, there's a definite downside. The wide availability of information has created what I call a false sense of competence. Everyone thinks they're just a few clicks away from being an expert. Think about it. Let's say you have a sharp pain in your gut. Would you try to diagnose it yourself and perform your own surgery? Your tooth hurts? Would you try to do your own root canal? Probably not. Some things in life are best left to the experts. Even the experts turn to experts in certain situations. You won't find a surgeon taking out his own gallbladder. You won't find a dentist filling their own cavity. Preparing essential estate planning documents has become a common do-it-yourself project. Maybe you know people who have completed wills, powers of attorney, or even set up a trust using documents from online services. Maybe you've done it yourself. It seems so easy. You download the documents, fill them out, get them notarized, and you're done. You relax thinking you're covered. But are you really? You don't know what you don't know. The so-called legal service websites don't offer much in the way of guarantees. One of the most popular sources for do-it-yourself estate planning has a disclaimer on its website that says, "We are not a law firm or a substitute for an attorney or law firm. We cannot provide any kind of advice, explanation, opinion, or recommendation about possible rights, remedies, defenses, options, selections of forms, or strategies." Why would an online service that sells legal documents have such a disclaimer? Drafting your own estate planning documents is like trying to perform your own root canal with a manual you've downloaded from the internet. Imagine that manual having a disclaimer that says, "We are not a dentist office or a substitute for an actual dentist." It's hard to imagine because most people know better. If you're a single person with one beneficiary and no property, legal forms you download from the internet might be just fine. If your life situation is more complicated, legal documents you get online won't be sufficient. Ex-spouses, stepchildren, multiple beneficiaries, dependents with special needs, business transactions, and substantial assets are complicating factors that make any sort of do-it-yourself legal documents a risky proposition. Forms you download from the internet will rarely include the specific provisions necessary to ensure the successful protection and transfer of your assets. Before you make the decision to do it yourself, ask yourself this: will the money you might save in legal fees offset the potential cost, headaches, and family strife that can be created by innocent mistakes? Face-to-face planning may seem old-fashioned, but in the end, expertise really matters.